10 Ways to Make Money. 1. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way for students to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to £3 $5 for some surveys. A few good ones to try are Toluna, Life Points, Inbox Pounds, OnePoll, Branded Surveys, I Say, Opinion Outpost, YouGov, Pinecone, Survey Bods, Hiving, Panel Base, Prolific, Valued Opinions, Panel Opinion, The Opinion Panel, Survey Junkie. 2. Paid for searching the web. Interested in earning cash for doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort or change in your behavior. This innovative idea by Qme.com rewards you for searching in Google, Bing or Yahoo. You just install a simple add-on to your browser, and when you conduct a search there may be a few sponsored results alongside your normal search. 3. Online market trading. Whilst this isn't necessarily an easy way to make money, investing in stock markets can be lucrative if you learn to do it properly and safely. By the same token, you may suffer significant losses if you don't take it seriously. Today there is no need to fund the yachts of Wolf of Wall Street-style stockbrokers. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platforms. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been experimenting with the two biggest platforms, Plus500 and eToro.com. Both offer free practice accounts. 4. Start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Bluehost takes less than 20 minutes, costs hardly anything, and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. 5. Review websites and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing usertesting.com, a new platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10 £6.50 via PayPal. 6. Become a delivery rider or driver. Got a bicycle, motorbike or car? What about a smartphone? That's all you need to make some extra money by delivering food or people whenever you've got some spare time. Sign up to delivery specialist companies like Deliveroo, Foodpanda and GrabFood, who are always on the hunt for new riders. They allow you total flexibility to work when you want, delivering food from restaurants to the customer's door. You can make up to £16 an hour. 7. Write and publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device: laptops, iPads, smartphones and yes, Kindles, so your global market is huge. List your book for £1.49 to £6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. 8. Affiliate marketing. If you've got a good presence on social media, or perhaps you even have a blog or website, you can start bringing in money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services and offers online. 9. Mobile phone recycling. You can earn good money and help the environment by recycling your old mobile phones and other unused devices. Maybe ask your parents if they have any lying around too. 10. Gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services, known as gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything, from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks and teaching, to creating music, voiceovers and short video clips for people all around the world.